Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something delicious and actually quite easy and a little bit French. I'm going to show you how to make Gratin Dauphinoise. So this was requested by Alexi J, and I'm glad he asked for it because I love this dish. It's and it's vegetarian, possibly, depends on the cheese. Yeah, great stuff. So let's do it. Right, ingredients for the Gratin Dauphinoise. I've got a kilo of Desiree potatoes, 250 ml of milk, 150 ml of double cream, heavy cream, half an onion, a clove of garlic, a little bit of grano padano cheese, salt, pepper, teaspoon of thyme, and a sprinkling of nutmeg. So potatoes, any kind of waxy potatoes will do the job. Floury ones will tend to disintegrate. And you need enough to more or less fill the dish that you're going to cook them in. So, easy peasy, let's do it. So first of all we need to infuse the milk and cream with the garlic, onion and thyme. Just this knife is possibly overkill for this poor little clove of garlic, but just top and tail it, chop it in half, chuck it in there. The onion, this happens to be red onion, that's not significant, it's just what I had. Any kind of allium will do, shallots even. Just roughly cut those. Pop those in. Sprinkle of thyme. And just bring that to a simmer and kind of keep it warm. Now we need to piler les pommes, and some people like to keep the skin on their spuds. I'm not one of those people. And then we have to slice them as evenly as you can, and they want to be about 3 mil thick, your slices. That's about 1/8 of an inch. And the best way to do that is with possibly one of the most dangerous things you can have in your kitchen, a mandolin. Little test cut there, so I think that's the width, the thickness we need, so off we go. Use the guard. So I'm spreading the slices of spud out in a single layer on a paper towel, and I'll just, stack them up, make a mountain of that. And if I get any that are big enough to fit inside this, I'm setting them aside because I'm going to cut them into perfect discs to put on the top and make it look beautiful. Okay, so I've got enough to more or less cover it. I need 3 more. Turns out I was optimistic with this. None of them are actually big enough to give me a full perfect disc, but it doesn't matter because we're going to overlap them and it'll still look grand. So just cut them with your cutter and keep the scraps. We'll chuck those in, nobody will know. Now we can start assembling the dish. You want your oven preheating to 140 degrees Celsius if it's a fan oven, convection oven, or 160 if it isn't, or gas mark 4. And you want your butter dish, and you want your dish generously buttered. And just start throwing in potatoes neatly in an even layer. Pop some of those scraggy bits to fill in the gaps. Okay, and salt and pepper. Now you want to strain the meat and cream mixture. get all those bits out of it. Oh dear. Mr. Messy strikes again. And sprinkle a nutmeg in there. And just pour in enough to just cover that first layer, more or less. And then next layer, salt and pepper, more milk. And keep going till you run out of potatoes. Pom. And the final layer, using the cut discs, just overlap them. So I've got 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 3. And magically, I've got one left over. Oh. Okay, so last bit of milk and cream and stuff, and then grate on your cheese. You can use Parmesan if you want to waste money, but Grana Padano is widely used by proper Italians as a substitute, and it's a bit cheaper. Okay, and then that goes in the oven for an hour, and then we'll turn it up a bit for maybe another 10-15 minutes to get it nice and brown and crispy. Whoa.
Ooh, that looks good.
Don't it though?
Oh wow. What's that then?
It's Gratin Dauphinoise.
Oh, it's got some potatoes.
Yeah.
That was me thinking that was aubergine.
You wouldn't think that. It is vegetarian.
Uh-huh.
If you believe that vegetarians should eat cheese.
I'm not being prescriptive. There you go.
I am. A little bit of rennet. Come on.
Hop. I think I'll wait a bit. The steam coming off that.
It's hot. You're supposed to let it. You're supposed to let it stand for 5 minutes. I don't know why.
Possibly so you can eat it without burning your mouth.
It's nice.
Yes, it is. I'm not really getting the cheese. I bet that'd be good cold as well.
Probably find out.
That could be a picnic thing.
Yeah. Anyway, splendid. Gratin Dauphinoise. So, if you like that, give it a like, share, subscribe, make a donation, become a patron, all that lovely stuff that we like so much. Thanks for watching. I have to do this together.
Okay.
And see you next time.